All right, guys, here we go. 311 premium foosball jersey. It's a 50 jersey series, all 50 different players. Tristan with 12, Ryan D 5, Chad 4, Susanna 1, Noah 1, Vin 1, Tim 1, Noah 1, Tweety 1, and J-Mouse with 5. All right, we're going to mix you guys up. See what team you guys have on Breaky Peak. All right. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. All right, Chad, you're on top, and Chad, you're on the bottom there, man. Good luck to you. See what team you guys have for the break. We do divisions, mixing up, doing some teams here. All right, Chad, Cardinals, Colts, Jets, Skins. This is a jersey. You're right there. J-Mass, Ravens, Lions, Jags, Vikings, Steelers, Noah, Patriots, Giants. Ryan, Falcons, Bears, Chargers, Niners, Titans. Susanna, Dolphins. Tim, Eagles. Tristan, Panthers, Bengals, Browns, Cowboys, Broncos, Packers. Texans, Chiefs. Rams, Saints, Raiders, Seahawks, Tweety, Bills, and Vin D with the Bucks. All right, we got a trade. Bills for the boys. 5 times, guys. See what jersey we're doing. See what number we're doing. All right, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 28, 13, 28. All right, let me grab it. I'll be on top here. Hey, it is. Anybody want the Bills? Bills up for trade. Bills on the chopping block. Matt, what's going on, brother? We got premium jerseys, premium packs, Panini Black. You name it, man. Premium packs are $4 a team or 16 a division. And we just closed one up. So if you want to jump on a new one. Alright, guys, looks like we're good to go. Alright. Premium jersey time. Time 311. Good luck. Okay. Buy yourself a nice little P-SPORTSCARDS24 bag. It is Von Miller. Denver Broncos going to Tristan. Von Miller, AF77337. Von Miller, autograph, Denver Broncos, foosball jersey. Very cool, Von Miller. Number 58. Cool. Von Miller, absolute beast. Von Miller, Nike, autograph foosball jersey. I don't think so, Matt. We can go and start if you want, man. Whatever you want, man. Whatever you want. Nice Von Miller, guys. PSA cert. Going to Denver. Very, very nice hit, Tristan. Nice Von Miller. All right, guys. Good deal. 5 times. Random it up. See who's getting that free spot. Autograph football mini helmet bonus. Breaky poop. All right. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and Noah. All right, Noah. You and Tristan. He's getting free spots into bonus break football 129. And there you go. Cool. Alright, guys, premium packs up next. Nice Von Miller autographed Nike jersey, $7 a spot, 32 spots, guys. Premium series, don't miss it. Nice fat auto on there. Alright, guys. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Check us out Facebook and Instagram, P-SPORTSCARDS24. Thank you.